So this is a new tent from James Baroud, obviously. We thought we might review it. Now this is just an unboxing. For a full breakdown, review, tech specs, everything else, stay tuned. We are going to do a mega comparison. All right, here we go. Your James Baroud. Oh shit, that's nice. How's the colour?
It's a spaceship.
Wow. I think we should pop it open. First impression so far, 10 out of 10. That's very thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's like a, not sure if the camera's picking that up, but there's a bit of a clear.
Do they?
I think that's them.
They don't push invert?
I don't know. I mean, we'll have to read the instructions, I think, at this rate.
Hello?
Zip. Oh, I can't believe it's canvas. So off the top of my head, some of the features in the new range here from James Baroud. So first off, I have had a James Baroud for maybe 5 years. But just quality-wise, everything's feeling and looking really nice. These are a pretty lightweight tent. I think they're made in Portugal. This model's 68 kilos, I reckon. So one of the lighter tents out there, and by that I mean there are lighter tents out there, but maybe not that can store bedding and stuff like that inside the tent.
What have they got here? Looks like about a 70.
Yeah,
70 mattress.
65, 70. We'll grab some stats. Don't worry about that. Oh, look at this, another change. I don't know if you remember, my mattress kicked around.
Yep.
So now we've got a square or a rectangle mattress.
Can't quite hook on because I'm too low.
We're too low.
So if you want this for your Ferrari or Lamborghini, probably not ideal.
Mm-hmm. Let's get you a little step. You got a tape measure on you? Yoink, measure this.
Oh,
Oops.
what? It's very light up there. Looks more high tech than a Defender. What have you done here?
Just measure it, mate. Stop stuffing around. What is it?
Width?
Yeah.
2 inches?
It's mattress width.
Oh,
What is it at the top then? That'll be a critical measurement that everyone's wondering to know. What does a roof measure?
it's the same, you spud. 1400?
14. 1.4 for those playing at home. Official. Oh, now we go on the floor. We went the roof, now we go on the floor.
You look about 1950.
1950.
I love that. Is wide open.
Handy. All right, do you think we've got these? All right, I'll get the instruction. So what are our inclusions so far, Nick? Oh, light works straight off the bat, straight off the ship. Fan works, Nick, straight out of packaging.
You've got to stick your finger in there to turn it off.
Oh yeah, you can only turn it off 10 times.
Though.
10 fingers. Hey, that's really good. So if it's in the mount up, oh, pistol grip. All right, so I think official measurements are actually 2 meters by 1.4 and 1 meter tall. And when it's collapsed and on the vehicle and you're in drive mode, 33 centimeters. Roof racks compatible with this model as well, which is a nice little addition. So you can put a solar panel, recovery boards, you know, surfboards. Let's see what Nick's opinion is.
Pretty comfortable. Like, I know I've literally been here for probably 5 minutes, but it's probably 5 minutes longer than I should have been. But mattress is pretty bloody good. I like the net up top.
Oh, the storage net.
Storage net, and it's adjustable. It's got like a track system around the outside. You can shuffle.
Yeah, honestly, one thing I didn't like about the James Baroud was the Velcro at the bottom on those. Never really had a problem with it. It just seemed like there's got to be a better way. But maybe they've been through the better ways and they're still doing it.
Do you reckon this would be midgie proof?
The last one wasn't. I don't reckon it is. Which means better airflow.
Yeah.
And I mean, maybe I didn't camp anywhere with midgies, but I never had a problem with midgies in the last one.
What are these RRP, Mark?
Ooh, RRP. I probably should have done my homework on the RRP. I'm going to say...
Do you want me to look it up?
Yeah, look it up. Best part of $7,000, Nick says. We're thinking we get some of the leading tent manufacturers, review them, test them, use them, and review them. What are your thoughts? What tent should we add to our ultimate rooftop tent review?
Should I get out?
Yes.
Yeah, I quite like it. It looks better than the Evo, the last one.
Yep.
Although a very great product, I think it lacked in aesthetics, in looks.
Same.
It was very rounded, solid tent. It had done the best of the best of the worst tracks. But this one, just look at it from here. Look at the airflow. Look at it from my eye socket. I'd love to see it on a truck, like on a vehicle, on a trip.
Should we get a truck?
We should get a truck.
Let's get a truck.
We're gonna get a truck.
So, I don't know, how far apart are they? Some people are pretty...
530. Oh. Yeah, about 530 for the middle ones.
Yep.
Centers. And about 790 centers to the outside ones.
Nice.
I like
give
that.
us some overall measurements, just like width.
Of the
Give us
whole,
some width.
of the whole jalopy.
Do you want me to hold it on the widest point? Yep. Widest point.
The widest point of this one is about 1460.
Well, that's the James Baroud. Let us know below. What else should we review for this comparison? Lots of options out there. Comment below.